We received a package including one corner set, one magnetic stripe, one decorative strip and one piece of mesh. First, we install the corners. There are 4 non-pointed corners. For pointed corners, for buckles, 1 adhesive tape. Apply the adhesive tape to the groove of the non-pointed corner. Then apply the adhesive tape to the back of the pointed corner. The third step is to combine the buckle with the pointed corner. Just insert it. Then the strapped side of buckles should face outward. Before installation, we must distinguish between the magnetic strip and the decorative strip. The magnetic strip is heavier. First, we take a pointed corner, tear off the protective film, and stick it on the frame of our window. Then tear off the protect film of the magnetic strip and stick it to the frame of our window. Then stick the pointed corner. Stick a circle of magnetic strip round. Attach the remaining magnetic strips magnetically. Need to note: maybe there is no complete overlap because magnets repel each other. Just turn it over and it will completely overlap, so that it can be firmly absorbed. Tear off the protect film and then stick the mesh to the magnetic strip. Try to straighten the mesh when sticking it, so that it will look better. Then tear off the protective film of decorative strip and stick it to the mesh. Use the plastic strip and magnetic strip to hold the mesh. After sticking the plastic strips round, cut off the excess mesh along the border. Cut the mesh over the corner. Finally, tear off the protective film of the non-pointed corner. Align it, insert it, and lock it. After installation, press hard on the magnetic stripe and plastic strip to make them stick firmly.